Hello, today we're analyzing PepsiCo stock. PepsiCo stock is currently trading at $154.88 level. The current Relative Strength Index, RSI, for PepsiCo PEP stocks is at 59.0, which places it in the neutral zone. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that ranges from 0 to 100, where levels above 70 are typically considered overbought, and levels below 30 are deemed oversold. With the RSI sitting just below the 60 mark, it indicates that the stock has not yet reached overbought territory, suggesting that there may still be room for upward movement in price before it encounters significant selling pressure. This positioning could signal to traders that, while caution is warranted, there is still potential for bullish price action in the near term. When examining moving averages, the current price of $144.88 stands above the 5-day, 10-day, and 20-day moving averages, which are at 144.76, 144.77, and $144.36 respectively. This indicates a positive short-term trend as the price is consistently surpassing these averages. The alignment of the current price above these moving averages suggests that recent price action is strong, reflecting bullish sentiment among traders. However, there is an essential aspect to consider regarding potential crossover signals. If the shorter moving averages begin to flatten or cross below the longer ones, it could indicate a momentum shift that warrants careful attention. Turning to the moving average convergence divergence, MACD, the MACD line is currently at 0.871, while the signal line is at 0.963. The MACD is a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. In this case, the MACD line is below the signal line, which is generally interpreted as a bearish indication, suggesting that the momentum may be weakening. Traders often look for crossovers between these two lines to confirm trend changes, and the current positioning indicates that the momentum may not support further advancements in price unless a bullish crossover occurs. The Bollinger Bands offer additional insights into volatility and potential price movements. The upper band is at $146.11. The middle band, which is the 20-day simple moving average, is at $144.36. And the lower band is at 142.62. The current price being below the upper band suggests that PP is not in an extreme overbought condition, which aligns with the RSI findings. The width of the bands indicates normal volatility. However, if the price approaches the upper band, traders might anticipate a potential reversal or pullback. Conversely, a squeeze in the bands could indicate a buildup of volatility, potentially leading to significant price movements either upward or downward. When analyzing volume patterns, we see that the current volume is 981,515 shares traded, which is slightly below the average volume of 994,679 shares. This volume comparison suggests that there is less market participation than usual. A volume reading below average can indicate a lack of conviction behind the current price movements. Thus, traders should be wary of taking positions based solely on price action without confirming volume. A sustained increase in volume alongside price appreciation could validate bullish movements, whereas a decline in volume with price increases could signal weakness. Support and resistance levels play a critical role in technical analysis. For PEP, the established support level is at 137.64. while resistance is found at 152.12. These levels are significant. If the price approaches resistance and fails to break through, it could lead to a pullback. Conversely, if the price drops to the support level and holds, it could provide a buying opportunity for traders looking for a rebound. The strength of these levels is often gauged by previous price interactions. Hence, traders should monitor how the stock reacts to these zones. In conclusion, considering both bullish and bearish scenarios is essential for PP. A bullish scenario may unfold if the stock can maintain its position above the moving averages and if the MACD shows signs of a bullish crossover. Such conditions would likely attract additional buying interest, potentially pushing the price toward resistance at 152.12. However, a bearish scenario could materialize if the price falls below the support level of 137.64, particularly if it is accompanied by increasing volume. A breakdown below this key support would likely trigger stop-loss orders and further selling pressure, leading to an extended downturn. Risk management is crucial in either scenario, including setting appropriate stop-loss orders and being prepared to adjust positions based on evolving market conditions. By keeping these analyses in mind, traders can better navigate the complexities of the stock market and make informed decisions regarding PEP's performance. The comprehensive assessment of the RSI, moving averages, MACD, Bollinger Bands, volume patterns, and key support and resistance levels provides a well-rounded view of PEP's current market position. Each element contributes to understanding potential price movements and informs trading strategies that align with market sentiment. Adapting to these ever-changing dynamics will be vital for success in this environment. Characters 8981. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. For more content, please like and subscribe to our channel.